Okay guys, welcome to Tokyo. Check out my view. How cool is that, huh? I know this video don't do it justice. It makes it look kind of gray looking. I think it's something to do with the window, but it is an amazing view. And this is why I didn't pick the very popular, the highly suggested capsule hotel. I don't think people that pick these hotels really think it through. Not, it's okay for one day, or I've seen these in airports. A few hours on a layover. Yeah, but to stay in a capsule for a week or two, yeah, I don't think so. Then you got the very popular love hotels. You should check those out. I have this video is a part of a blog post, and the link will be in the description. And I'll explain each one of these hotels. Lots of hotels in Japan that I've never even heard of before. That I've been in hundreds of hotels all over the world, and it's amazing. Japan just does things different, which is not a bad thing. In this blog post, I will give the information that I wish I had when I was looking for a hotel. Because I was looking at hotels and finding all these 10 square meter rooms with a single bed, and what's the deal with that? But now I know that's a business hotel. It's for one person. It's still a little strange. Tiny little rooms, not enough room for the suitcase. Tiny little bed, a little bit weird. But you have a lot of different hotels. You got the regular hostel, which lots of places, especially anywhere there's backpackers, you have those. That's not for me, sorry. Capsule hotel, those are cool, no doubt about it. There's some really nice ones, but I spent many years working on boats. What's a capsule hotel? It's like a bunk on a boat, not good. Love hotel, yeah, just read about the Love Hotel. There's some weird ones. Think about that. And then the business hotel, like I just said. And then you have regular hotels like this one with a window, an actual window with a view. For me, it's a holiday. You can't feel like you're in jail. And getting a hotel room that doesn't even have a window, yeah, that's not a hotel, or that's not a holiday. You're going to wish you were at home as soon as you wake up the next morning, Why did I do this to myself? But I'll put, like I say, the link to the blog post explaining each one, and it's up to you which one you choose. I think the capsules are cool. The other ones I would not be interested in at all, but the capsule, again, one night, that would be enough. I would totally be enough for me. It's a way to save money, and that's the only good thing I see about it. Well, that's it, guys. Like I say, the link is in the description. Lots more information, and I'll put the link to this hotel with this amazing view. You gotta like it, You got water, and you got all the lights, and unfortunately the camera don't do it justice. But trust me, it's really nice. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. And check out these other videos from Tokyo. Pretty cool place, let me tell you.